In exercise 1, the question is an electron with kinetic energy 2.5 kilo electron volts moving along the positive direction of an x-axis enters a region in which a uniform electric field of magnitude 10 kilovolts per meter is in the negative direction of the y-axis. A uniform magnetic field B is to be set up to keep the electron moving along the x-axis, and the direction of B is to be chosen to minimize the required magnitude of B. In unit vector notation, what B should be set up. So to answer this question, we have to illustrate we have to illustrate the question like this one. So this is the electron, the key negative. This is the movement of the electrons, and the direction of the electric field is the negative y direction, like this ones. So because of the charge is the electron, so the electric force, the direction of electric force of electrons, so this is the electric force of the electrons, will opposite direction with the E. If you forget, please remember the chapter 2 about the electric fields. So for the positive charge, the electric force direction is similar to the electric field direction, but for the negative charge, the electric force direction in opposite way with the electric field. So the Fe is in y positive direction. So we know that the E, the electric field, is 10 kilovolts per meter, and the kinetic energy of the electron is 2.5 kilo electron volts. So first, to set the electron keep moving in the x positive, so the Fe is the vertical direction of the y positive, so the Fb must be like this one to keep the electron move in the x positive. So it must be the Fe is equal to Fb, so the electron move in x positive horizontally. So the first we have to know the B, and then after we know the B, the magnetic fields, we have to determine the direction of B to generate the force of magnetic force in the y negative direction, like this ones. So the first one, we have to calculate the B. The first, because the B is E per V, and we know that in the equation there is the kinetic energy, so we can calculate the V. The V is equal to square of 2k per m, or electron mass. So the 2k is 2.5 k, or 10.3, and then we have to multiply by using the electron charge 1.6 cross 10 point minus 19, and then this is the mass of the electron, 9.11 multiplied by 10 point minus 31. So we can get the V is equal to this one, 2.96 cross 10.7 meter per second. So after we know the V, so we can calculate the B by E per V, so we can get the E is equal to 10 kilovolt per meter, so this one, and then the V is this one, so we can get the B is 3.4 multiplied by 10 point minus 4 Tesla, so this is the B. So this is the B, and in what direction the B, so it will be generates the magnetic force in the y negative direction, like this ones. So we have to use the right hand rules. So we know that the phi of the electron is negative, in x positive. So if you remember the previous class, that to use the right hand rule we have to use the positive charge. So if the negative charge in x positive, so the positive charge direction is this one. So this is the key positive. So this is the key positive direction. So it means that this is the phi, the velocity of key positive. So this is the phi, and then to generate the f in y negative, so we can use the right hand rule. Okay, so the first, if the b is outside of the paper, like this one, so this is like in z positive. So it's the first we make assumption that this is the b. So this is the b. So if the b like this one, so the direction of fb is, using the right hand rule, is this one. So this is the fb, yeah, phi cross b. So this is not true, because the f must be y negative, like this one. So the b is not outside of the paper. So we have to erase this one. So this is not true. This is the false. Wrong assumption. Okay. So if the b is not the outside of the paper, so the b must be inside of the paper. So this is the b. If this is the b, so if we make a cross product of phi and b using this one, so we can get or generate the f in y negative, or down to the earth, like fb, like this ones. So the direction of b is must be and then in vector notation is negative k, yeah, negative k, or inside to the paper. So inside the paper is the cross, like this one. So this is the b, direction of the b. Okay, I hope this is the clear to explain these questions about the number ones. Okay, thank you.